Today, I would like to start off by asking you a question. Have you ever wanted to go see the Eiffel Tower in Paris, or maybe the Colosseum in Rome, or maybe the famous cliffs of Moher in Ireland? I know that each of us has a destination or a vacation that we're all wanting to go to, places that we're all wanting to see. So today, I want to share the tips and tricks that I have learned that have helped me get to all the places that I have visited. My husband and I, we have been married for 2 years, and in that time, we have been able to visit 8 different countries to be able to see those things that most people don't get to see in their lifetime. And I want everyone to experience that. I want to get rid of those phrases, I'll travel when I'm retired, or, when I have money, I'll finally be able to go to this place. Traveling is for everybody, and everyone should be able to enjoy it. There are many benefits to traveling. There's health benefits, personal benefits, a lot of benefits for you and for your family. So, in conclusion, I have talked about some different tips and tricks to budgeting and to be able to find those great deals, to be able to get you to those places which you want to be able to go. I shared some health benefits, some personal benefits, benefits for you and for your family. Traveling allows you to experience new cultures, new things, to be able to appreciate the differences that we have in this world and the beauty of this world. And I hope that by sharing these that you have gained a new desire to be able to go out and to see things, and that you can take some of these tips that I have shared and start planning your personal vacation to be able to go and do and see the things that you want to. So hopefully you took good notes. Go and find that destination that you want to go to and start planning your vacation.